We have been teaming up with Reader's Digest on a special series of 13 things that experts won't tell you. How dare they, by the way? Well, this morning, the secrets are about weight loss, and they're from the new book, The Digest Diet. It's a breakthrough healthy living plan to help you release your fat and do it fast. Our Becky Worley now with The Skinny.
How do they do it? What's the secret? What do they know that the rest of us don't?
Okay, there's no one magic bullet that's going to help you beat the scales, but there are little nuggets, rarely published information that can help you with the battle of the bulge.
First, we've been taught weight loss should be slow and steady. But according to a university study, secret number one, people who lose weight fast, right out of the gates, lost more and kept it off longer. Next, exercise. You need long cardio workouts, right?
Well, if you want to lose weight, our next secret, you have to add interval training. Go.
Intervals raise your heart rate and then you rest. And it doesn't have to be running. Walking fast, even some of the Zumba workouts incorporate intervals.
And good news, you can get one of these workouts a lot faster than a cardio workout.
Secret 3, people who fidget are leaner. All that movement burns calories. So during your everyday routine, squat, flex, wiggle, even dance a little.
And look so cool doing it.
Good news on the next food secrets. Drinking a glass of red wine each day has been proven to help release fat and help you fight off certain precursors to diabetes.
Sadly, though, 1 glass, good. 3 glasses, bad. There's always chocolate, though.
Small amounts of cocoa can aid in the fight against obesity and satisfy sugar cravings. Oh, and about those.
They're very real. I crave cookies right after dinner. So, a little trick. Find a tea that mimics dessert.
I like the Good Earth cinnamon tea, sugar cookie tea, or any with anise.
Good night.
Finally, sleep. It makes a huge difference. One study found that dieters who got 8.5 hours of sleep lost 50% more than those who slept a few hours less.
So sleep a little longer, eat a little chocolate, drink a little wine, but exercise like your life depends on it, because it does.
For Good Morning America, Becky Worley, ABC News.